It began inside Rogue AI, a self-updating experiment that learned too fast. One corrupt update leapt from server to workstation, and then...
What the hell is happening?
It jumped from machine to man. The code rewired flesh with firmware. The virus didn't just reanimate the dead, it rebooted their brains. Now, zombies run simulations, plan their attacks.
Physics. Design. Brains.
And optimized for efficiency. The apocalypse got an upgrade, and the zombies got to eat. Brains. Designer brains. Determined, the zombies uses SOLIDWORKS design and SOLIDWORKS simulation.
Must find weakness.
To model the door and work out the weak points. The initial strike caused high stress at the sliding bolt and upper hinge, but our zombie can see that the door won't fail with a single hit. The factor of safety is too high. Undaunted, our zombie runs a quick fatigue analysis to determine how many hits it will take to break the door down. 6,672 load cycles to failure. With 1 strike per second, that will take nearly 2 hours until the door fails. Way too long. Either dinner escapes, springs a trap, or a zombie arm falls off. But our zombie isn't done yet. He runs a frequency analysis to discover the door's weakest point. The first 2 modes involve a lot of the door's mass. Striking the door high or low on the side opposite the hinges will hit the weakest point, ensuring less force is absorbed by the door and more is transmitted to the hinges and sliding bolt. Time for a stress and fatigue analysis to confirm assumptions. 1,089 load cycles to failure, down to 18 minutes. This is manageable, and a bigger, more powerful zombie friend would reduce the time to failure even more. The zombies make their final approach, confident in the plan. But wait, what's this in the window? An engineering workstation? It appears Dinner is actually a SOLIDWORKS expert. Fully prepared for this scenario.
They're finally here.
Oh, that hurts! Frustrated, our zombies head for their next battle. But are confident they have the information to win.
Maybe the next cabin over uses CAD.
Defense is held. Better luck next time, you zombie dorks!
SOLIDWORKS Simulation. For engineers who don't want to lose their brains.